The year is 1305. I stand here in a mock trial with a crown placed upon my head to suggest I was a king of the outlaws by my aggressors. My journey has been long to get here. I know what my outcome will be, but I must stay strong. Today I stand before you accused of treason against the crown. But I say to you, it is not I who have betrayed Scotland, but those who would dare to suppress the spirit of freedom that courses through the veins of every man, woman, and child in this land. I am here to speak the truth, to shed light upon the injustices that have befallen our beloved Scotland under the tyranny of English rule. It is our right, our duty, to resist such oppression with every fiber of our being. I am accused of treason, but what is treason if not the refusal to bow down before those who seek to strip us of our identity, our culture, and our very existence? I have not raised a sword against my country, I have raised it in defense of her honor and her people. It is not I who have shed innocent blood upon these lands, but those who claim divine right to rule over us. The blood of our fathers, our sons, our brothers stains their hands, and they have the audacity to call me a traitor? I have fought for Scotland, for her people, for the right to determine our own destiny. And if that makes me a traitor in the eyes of this court, then so be it. But mark my words, my lords and ladies, the spirit of Scotland cannot be extinguished. It lives within each and every one of us, and it will continue to burn bright, no matter the outcome of this trial. I ask you to consider not just the charges against me, but the very heart of what it means to be Scottish. Our history, our struggles, and our indomitable spirit. I implore you to remember that we are a nation of warriors, of poets, of rebels. We will not be silenced, we will not be broken.